What a finish.
Yeah, crazy. I think, both teams could have won it in the final 30 seconds. And I thought it was a fantastic game of football from start to finish.
And with that win, you're into the semi-finals now of the Welsh Cup, but also top of the Cymru South. It's going well.
It's going well so far, but it's a big mountain to climb. So we keep saying it. There's 7 cup finals left in the league. And obviously now we're into the semi-final of the cup, and hopefully we can go another step further.
Mae'n gutting, ond o ran perfformiad, dyn ni wedi bod yn... mae'r boys bod yn unbelievable. Da ni wedi tio'r post ar bar tair gwaith. Reit yn diwedd, mae gen Stam chance i ennill lle, wedyn maen nhw'n mynd fyny ochr ar y gaeg yn sgorio, ond o ran perfformiad, dwi'n mor prowd o'r hogia, a nhw wedi bod yn bril.
Pwy sy'ch chi licio gael yn y 4 ola?
Cymru. Obviously Cymru. Mae neb eisiau mynd lan at TNS for obvious reasons, ond Cymru bydd yn dda.